Good morning, YouTube. What is up? Today is the day that these ATTURO'S AZ850s are going on. The beast. I'm heading up to the tire shop right now. I'm gonna get these things put on. It might be a while before I get my car back, but I'll get it back sometime today. It's currently 10:20 in the morning, so hopefully by the end of the day, well, they asked me if I needed my car back today, and I said yep. So I'll get it back today, but I'm just letting you guys know that's what's going on. So, and you see, I try to get all 4 of these in here. My new passenger right here. But I got 3 of them in here and 1 in the trunk. I thought I was gonna be able to get them all in the trunk, but that didn't happen. So, but anyways, I'm gonna go in here, find out how long it's gonna take. If it ain't gonna take that long, I'll hang around. But if it's gonna take a while, I'm gonna just walk back home, because this place is only really literally like 3 blocks from my house. So, but anyways, guys, I will be back with you, and we'll get the finishing touches on these tires being put on. So I'll get back with you. All right, see you here in a few. All right, guys, as you can see, it's gonna be a minute before they can get on my car, but dude told me that he would call me when they're about to pull my car in. So, and I told him, I said I want to get some video of the install and all this stuff, and he's like, no problem, man, come on in, I'll give you a call when it's getting ready to be pulled in. I said all right. So he said sometime after lunch they'll get ready and get started on it. Super excited. But anyway, so for now I'm just walking home. Like I said, it's only 3 blocks from my house. So man, what a beautiful day it is. And at the same time, I'm getting my exercise in too. So gotta lose some weight. Anyways, guys, give you that update. As soon as he calls me and tells me, hey, look, we're pulling your car in, I'll come right back up here, man. They wanted to see, I told them they should fit. And he said, well, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull off the fronts. We're gonna put the fronts on, we're gonna turn the steering wheel, make sure there's enough clearance. And if so, then we're good to go. So, and then he asked me if I wanted to keep my original tires. I said, man, I don't know. I'd have to get some new set of rims if I want to do burnouts, because my wife said I can keep the old tires and do burnouts on those, but no burnouts on these new ones. But anyways, I'm gonna get off here, man. I'm gonna let y'all get back to whatever you're doing, and I'm gonna get back to whatever I'm gonna be doing, and then I'll come back at you when when they get ready to pull my car in, so we can get a little bit of the video. All right, man. Later. Man, I finally got her up there in the air. Look at that.
It's totally ripped. Gone. Off that half shaft. So it needs a half shaft. The brakes are number one. Okay, yeah. Oil change and performance was.
Alright guys, are you ready? I finally got my car back. Man, I really like the way this damn thing looks, man, for real. So I'm gonna show you guys the finishing touches, but before I do that, I'm gonna tell you guys that I tried to do a side-by-side comparison, but I had to go do some other things, and by the time I got to where the car was at, I just wanted to excuse that motorcycle, but I just wanted to get a side-by-side comparison of the two tires. You know, somebody hit me up and said, hey, won't you try to get a comparison of the tires, but I couldn't because by the time I noticed that they were working on my car, they went ahead and already had like the old tires off and the new tires on the rim and getting ready to do the balance of the new tires. So, but anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the new look, man. I'm excited. So here it is, man. It's on the 275s. 275s. Those are Toro 275x40ZR20's, man. I'm gonna show you the front. This is the front, and I gotta say, man, they definitely do not rub. I'll even show you. Hold on a second, man. You don't even know. These are way better than the other ones. Man, let's see here. Man, look at these big old colossal things, man. They look real good, man. So, hey, any of you 5.7 Hemi owners that are looking to put 275 4020s on your Challenger Charger, this is the way to go, man. They fit. There's no rubbing at all. Big huge shout out to High Octane RT for giving me all the pointers and stuff like that. He was telling me that you know, that these tires will fit, man. He dead right on. So, man, no rubbing, bro. They do not rub whatsoever. So yeah, there's another shot of the back. Toro 275 4020s. So that's the finished product, man. Right there is those tires being put on, man. And I gotta say, they look good. They make the car look better. And we'll see. We'll go down. We'll give it like 2 or 3 weeks. I'm actually, like I said in my last video, I'm getting ready to go on road trip. So we'll see how they do on the highway, and we'll go from there. What's this guy want? Freaking cop. But anyways, man, I wish I could have got the side by side comparison of the two tires. The only thing I was worried about is the speedometer, but I mean, I figured it'd mess it up a little bit, but I mean, it's pretty spot on. I mean, I figured with the bigger tire, you would have, you know, your speedometer would be off a little bit, but I mean, I don't know. I guess I'll have to have somebody clock me, or have a cop clock me and how fast I'm going. But I mean, as far as I can tell, man, I mean, I was doing 20 on the thing, and the digital speedometer was saying 21. So I mean, I think it may be like one off, but I mean, it's not terribly noticeable. So, but anyways, guys, if you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If not, do whatever you need to do, and also comment down below. You know, trying to get this channel moving, so share it, do whatever you need to do. Tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your dad, tell your cousins, your uncles. You know, hit that subscribe button, man. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. You guys have a good weekday, or the weekdays that are coming, and like always, drive safe out there, be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Man, oh man, I just had to stop and check this out. Ooh, the 426 Hemi in there. Challenger RT. Wouldn't you like to have that in the collection, in the garage, huh? Man, I would. I know I would. That's sick. That is sick, sick, sick. Man, I know it had the hood pins up front, but man, that thing is sick, man. If I'm lying, there's something wrong. Wee. Alright, guys, I just had to throw that in there, man, because I drove by it several times this week, or this, not this week, but several times today. I say about 6 times I've drove by it today, and I didn't stop and get no footage. But today, right now, since I'm driving home, I'm washing the car, I am getting some footage of it. Badass car, man. Alright, later.